extend your arms like this. Come on. Do it now.
Extend your arms and then wave your hands. Everybody shout, Robin, Robin, Robin. Come on.
Ready? Robin. Okay, so Ariana, ready ka na? Okay, palakpakan muna natin si Ariana. Okay, so let's do the warm-up first. Ariana. Okay, so ito nga pala yung ating, anong tawag nyo dito, kids? Magic? Anong planggana? Mukha bang planggana to? Magic? Magic Cacerola. Okay, so Ariana, can you please hold my magic? Very good. Okay, so ready? So all you have to do, Ariana, is wave your hand like this and shout, "Thank you, Mama." That's it. And then, lalabas na yung rabbit dyan. Ready ka na? Yes. Yung malakas?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So palakpakan muna natin si Ariana. Ano? Dog. Ariana. Monkey. Ang ganda ng pagkakatitig mo, tapos sinabi mo monkey. Okay, what else? What else? Kuya. Lion talaga eh, no? Okay, so sasabihin ko nito to. I have here a snake kid. Sino gusto ng snake? Okay, dahil dyan natin nagtaas ka ng kamay, halika, tulungan mo ako dito, palabasin natin yung snake natin. So, ready? Asa na nga pala yung aking mahiwagang kaserola? Okay, ngayon kids, ano ulit tawag niyo dito sa hawak ko? Magic! Arenola. Sino nagsabi? Mukha bang iihan to? Magic! Cacerola. Okay, so ate, what is your name? How old are you now? You with your mom or your daddy? Come on, answer me. What do you want to be when you grow up? Palakpakan naman natin siya. Ang galing niya sumagot. Okay, ano ulit pangalan mo?
Amia.
Amia! Clap your hands for Amia. Come on, kids! Ilan taon na si Amia?
6.
Sino kasama mo umatin dito, Amia?
Mami.
Where is she? Asan? Ano ginagawa? Ano ginagawa?
Ewan.
Okay, so ready ka na, Amia? Okay, would you mind to come closer, Amia? Thank you. Okay, hold the can or cacerola with your 2 hands. Ready? Okay, and sorry, I forgot. Meron nga pala ako dito magic wand na galing kay Harry Potter. Tenen! Ito yung aking may wagang magic wand. Okay, now kids, ready na ba kayo? And how about Amia? Ready ka na? So, listen carefully, Amia. Promise me first, don't break my wand. Okay, huwag mo sisirain ha. Yun yung rule number 1 natin. Pangalawa, listen carefully. So, gagawin mo, i-wave mo lang to at isisigaw mo, Happy birthday, Ariana, and then lalabas na yung snake dito. Ready ka na? But don't break my wand. Ready? Okay, so I'm your assistant. So, ako hawak nito and hold the wand. Now, kids, count 1 to 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, and do it now. Kasasabi ko lang, huwag mo sisirain. Okay, can you fix it? Alam ko, kaya mo yan. Come on, do it. Swing the wand. Very good. And kids, count 1 to 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, and tenen! Di ba hindi nasira? Come on, and... Wait a minute. Magician ka ba talaga o maninira ka? Okay, can I have it? Okay, can I hold this? Okay, so, look at me. Kids, count 1 to 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. See? It's magic. Okay, your turn. Come on, hold the one. And then I'll take yours. And then I'll cover it. Why are you laughing? Ano, yung chan ko malaki? Ba't tinuturo niyo yung chan ko? Alin? Come on, do it. Ah! Ano ba ginagawa mo? Okay, magician ka, di ba? Okay, so prove it to them. Just blow the one. Okay, no need to hold. Blow. Yung malakas, harder. Isa pa. Wow, it's raining. Sabi ko, hipa mo, hindi ko sinabi lawayan mo yung kamay ko. Okay, isa pa yung malakas. And, oh, you did it! Love your hands for Amaya. Amaya, right? Amaya? Amia, sorry. Amia, okay, for the last time, hawakan mo at wait mo dito at isigaw mo, Happy birthday, Amaya! And, ay! Ano ba yan? Sinira mo na naman. Hindi na natin mabubuo to. So, gawin mo na lang yung kamay mo. Wave mo yung kamay mo, tulad ng ginawa ni Ariana. At isigaw mo, Happy birthday, Ariana!
Happy birthday, Ariana.
Then, tap the pad. Okay, oh, narinig mo yun? Okay, let me check.
Hoy! Hindi lang isa. Not 1, not 2. Tatlong snakes yung nandito. Okay, ano yan? Hindi mo pang-pang sir. Tignan mo kung ano kulay ng mga snake natin. Ready ka na? Okay, so open to. Silipin mo.
Anong kulay? Nakita mo? Anong kulay? Color?
Black.
Color black. Okay, and
The next one is color red. And the last one, yellow.
so we have here a black, red, and yellow. So, ang gagawin niyo lang kids, bibilang kayo ng hanggang 3 at ihahagis ko yung ahas sa harapan niyo. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Ready? Okay, 1,